Wow, we got hit hard. I would say at least 2 feet. As you can see, we're shoveling. It's about up to my knee, I would say. Yeah. It's a disaster. I know when I go over here, let me put my foot in. Here we go. And that's not all the way down, but it's almost up to the knee there. There's my car. I shoveled that side. But, look at that mound over there. Got nowhere to put it. And we got more snow coming next week, I heard. But anyway, it is pretty. God bless and stay safe and warm if you're in places with this kind of snow.